arrange the following increasing order of bond length. So if you want the bond length, you have to identify what is the hybridization present in the molecules. These are the hydrocarbons, organic molecules. If you know the structures, you have to easily find what is the hybridization present in the molecules. Now look at the board. Here there will be three type of molecules. Look at that. C2H6 and also C2H4 and also C2H2. These are the molecular formulas. From this C2H6, you can look at, this is the structure of C2H6, ethane. Here you can look at, there will be a C2H4, that is ethene. Here you can look at, there will be a only one hydrogens, C2H2, ethane. These are all hydrocarbons, you know that. From these hydrocarbons, you have to find what is a double bond, single bond or triple bond. If it is what is the bond present in the molecules, you have to find what is the hybridization in the organic molecules. There will be only single bond is present in the molecules, mean it is there will be a hybridization is sp3. Look at that, here also the single bond. If it is double bond present in the molecules, there will be a sp2 hybridization. From this double bond, one is called as a sigma bond, other one is called as pi bond. Here there will be all the bonds in the form of sigma. If it is double bond is present, one is called as sigma, another one is called as pi bond. If you go to the ethane, first one is a sigma, second one is a pi bond, third one is a pi bond. Here there will be a sp hybridization. Here sp3, sp2, sp. If it is single bond, sp3, double bond, sp2, triple bond, sp. And also you have to find how many number of sigma and pi bonds are present in the organic molecules. So by using the hybridization, you have to find what is the percentage of S character present in the corresponding molecule. Here you can consider this is the 100% hybridization. You have to split the percentage. Here there will be a 25, here there will be a 75. Here there will be a 33, here there will be a 66, here 50 and 50. So the s orbital contribution is very high in the sp hybridization. If the s orbital contribution is increases, what happen? A bond order is increases. Bond order is increases. Bond angle is also increases. Electronegativity is also increases. Due to the electronegativity, acid strength is also increases. Then also the bond length will be decreases. So remaining all the properties are increases, only bond length is decreases. So what is the idea? If the s orbital contribution increases, that leads to decreasing the bond length, remaining bond order, bond angle, all the properties are increases. Here what is the question? That due to the bond length. So s orbital contribution increases means bond length is decreases. That is the idea. So you can look at here there will be a triple bond. So bond length is very low because s orbital contribution is very high. Here next one, double bond, s orbital contribution is 33. So this is the next one. This is the highest bond length having molecule because s orbital contribution is only 25%. So this is the increasing order of the molecules about the bond length. Suppose the same question will be asking increasing order of bond order, increasing order of bond angle, means you have to reverse manner. The answer will be in the reverse manner. So now look at the question. So from these options you have look at, there will be a C2H6 in the last option, there will be option A and D. From this option A and D you can look at option D, the second one is the ethane, but option A you can look at the second one is ethene. So option A is the right answer for this question.